ready to supercharge your chatbot and automate your entire workflow. Let's dive into the power of Manychat and Zapier. First, head over to Zapier and create a new Zap. Think of a Zap as an automated workflow that connects your apps. For the trigger, search for Manychat. This is the app that will kick off our automation. Select Manychat. Now, choose a trigger event. A common one is new chat subscriber, meaning the Zap will start when someone subscribes to your Manychat bot. Connect your Manychat account to Zapier. You'll need to grant Zapier permission to access your Manychat data. Follow the on-screen instructions. Select the specific Manychat bot you want to connect to this app. This ensures the automation only applies to that bot subscribers. Now for the action. This is what will happen after someone subscribes. Let's say we want to add them to a Mailchimp email list. Search for Mailchimp and select it. Choose an action event. For our example, we'll select Add Update Subscriber. This will either add a new subscriber or update an existing one if they're already on the list. Just like with Manychat, connect your Mailchimp account to Zapier. Grant the necessary permissions. Here's where the magic happens. Map the data from Manychat to the corresponding fields in Mailchimp. For instance, map the subscriber's email from Manychat to the email field in Mailchimp. You can also map their first name, last name, and any other custom fields you've collected in Manychat. Test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly. Zapier will send a test subscriber to your Mailchimp list. Finally, turn on your Zap. Now, every new subscriber to your Manychat bot will automatically be added to your Mailchimp list. You can use these same principles to connect Manychat to CRMs like Salesforce or Google Sheets, triggering personalized messages, and so much more. The possibilities are endless.